Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering the essentials: current policy, your photo ID, the bike title or registration, and the VIN. Contact the insurer now to tell them you want the name changed. Ask whether they use an endorsement or require a new policy. This affects cost. While on the call, request the exact form names and any supporting documents. Make sure to note fees and processing time. Once done, schedule a follow-up. This keeps the process moving and avoids delays. You now complete and submit the insurer's paperwork. Fill forms carefully, sign where required, and get notary service if requested. This prevents rejections. Upload or mail ownership documents, VIN verification photos, and a lien release if applicable, because insurers verify legal possession before changing a name. Make the payment for the endorsement or new policy. Record the receipt and reference number. After submission, confirm expected processing times and the effective date. That tells you when coverage under the new name begins. You finish by confirming the change and updating related records. Request the updated policy document with the effective date and any premium change. Save both digital and paper copies. Then, notify your motor vehicle department and any lender so registration and financing records match the insured name. Make sure all cards or online accounts reflect the change. If something goes wrong, missing confirmation, or a mismatch, call the insurer immediately. Provide your payment reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.